Hey everyone, this is Stacy Bresler at Archer Energy Solutions with another episode of On Target with Archer. And today, well, it's middle of April and it gets me thinking about spring cleaning. And spring cleaning in our context with compliance and security generally means let's review things. Let's look at our documents, let's look at our processes, and let's take the time to reevaluate what we got going on here and see if we need to do some cleanup. And that is essential for any compliance program. It's an ongoing cycle. As you know, security and compliance is this ongoing wheel of death. I don't know if you want to call it that, but it continues to go. And one of the things is to do a regular check. April, spring break, spring training, spring everything. It might be the opportunity for you to go back and just take a look at things and make that a calendar item for every year. In April, this is what we do. It's an option. Take care, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.